guys, I'm Dan DeLong. I'm a new product engineer with MasterCraft. I'm standing on the 2024 MasterCraft X24. We're going to walk through some of the new model year 24 highlights for the Klipsch audio system. With our great partnership between Klipsch Marine and MasterCraft, we're able to get a lot of feedback through our customers and dealerships. That way we can enhance our product and have a better customer experience. Let's jump on board and show you how this great partnership translates to a better audio system for you. Right behind me here, we've got brand new 200-watt upgraded tower speakers for model year 2024. It's available on all MasterCraft models, and it's really going to help project that sound back on the boat where we're spending a lot of the time wakeboarding and wake surfing. For 2024, we have doubled our output for our tower speakers. We're at 200-watt RMS power for each tower speaker. With this setup here, we've got 800 watts of output. Not only did we upgrade the power, but we upgraded all the internal components. That way we could have that same reliability and absolute clarity that Klipsch is known for. When I'm 75 feet behind the boat wakeboarding, I want to listen to my favorite song. These upgraded tower speakers will really project that sound back to the boat and have that crisp high and that nice mid-range punch. Now that we talked about the mids and the highs, let's jump right into the bass. The redeveloped 10.8-inch subwoofer has a much more powerful and rich bass, so now you're not only hearing the audio, but you're really feeling it. All new for our NXT series is a dual sub option, so we can carry what we know and love about the upgraded subwoofer into our NXT series. Standard on the X24, we have 6 interior speakers. We've got 4 in the cockpit, 2 additional ones up in the bow. All have 100 watts of power, and you can upgrade to the premium audio package and get 2 additional speakers right at the helm, and that sound will project up off the windshield and project back to the cockpit and the riders behind the boat. These 8.5-inch interior speakers have a 60% increase in power handling compared to other speakers in their size range. Bon Jovi's DPS core technology adjusts music in real time by custom tuning profiles based off the size of the boat and the position of the speakers. One of my favorite parts about the Klipsch audio system and how it works with MasterCraft is the ability to change the volume throughout different zones, all from the helm of the boat. Thanks for joining us today on the MasterCraft X24. To learn about the model year 24 Klipsch audio updates, head on over to your local MasterCraft dealership to hear it for yourself.